All right, everyone, welcome back to another episode of Teaching in the Living Room. New location, but same great content. So this isn't what I had planned on recording today, but I had a request come in for some instructors who teach math, do a lot of whiteboarding, equations, calculations, not sure how to do that now that their lecture hall is taken away from them. There are some really good apps out there for tablets, such as Explain Everything. But if you do not have a tablet or a subscription to Explain Everything, here's a cheap, easy, kind of corny way to do some whiteboard lectures. Ready? Check this out. Follow along. Got Zoom up on my laptop, ready to start recording with my webcam. I'm going to do a little bit of this. And I have my wife's whiteboard that I stole. And boom! Document camera. So I'm going to go ahead and hit record on Zoom here. Record. Local. And make sure I'm set up and aligned. Good. And now for my students, I can tell them, welcome to my whiteboard. So you can work out your equations, your problems, your notes, put a little smiley face in there to keep everybody happy. And just like that, you have a really cheap, easy way to do some whiteboarding starting today. If you have a webcam, it's even easier because you can kind of pivot it, but this is kind of an easy way to do it on your laptop. So with that, keep doing great work, Ohio State. You're doing awesome. You will have to rotate the file once you're done with it because obviously you're writing upside down right now, but that's really easy to do on a Mac or a PC using either the Photos app or QuickTime. So if you have questions on that, let me know. Once you have the file, you can upload it to either YouTube or one of the other media services and share it with your students in Carmen Canvas. So with that, I'll let you go. Let me know what you think and if this helps in any way. Keep teaching. You guys are doing great. This week's almost over. The students are back next week. So remember, be patient with them and also be patient with yourself as you work through this.